What's up, guys? Will H, and today we're doing a follow-up on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Now, I've had this about a week and a half. I actually had it 2 weeks, but I was out of town for the first 5 days after it arrived, so it was just sitting here, not being able to unbox it or anything. So actual use about a week and a half. So I want to talk about my experience with this after having it for that. So this is the 512 gigabytes of storage. It has 12 gigabytes of RAM. It is unlocked, and this is the navy blue. Now this also comes in other colors. It's going to come in pink, silver. You got your exclusive color, which is going to be crafted black, and the white. I almost picked up the crafted black, but after seeing videos about it and that texture on the back of it, and it's kind of glossy on the back, I haven't seen it in person, just saw it on videos. I decided to go with this color. And this color is not exactly what I envisioned it being as well. Saw other people's videos and it looked like it was a deeper blue color, but it's not bad. Don't know if I was buying it again, if I would go with this color or not, but you got your black rings on the back around your cameras. Kind of make it look kind of dope right there. It's not heavy. This only weighs 8.43 ounces. That's one thing I like about it. When I first picked it up, I haven't had a Fold since the Fold 4. I didn't get the Fold 5, but memory tells me that it was much heavier than this device. And in comparison to my Google Pixel Fold, this is definitely heavier. But one thing I don't like about this, and what I do like in comparison to the Google Pixel Fold, is the cover display. I much more prefer this wide aspect right here of the Google Pixel Fold in comparison to this. Now this is wider at 6.3 inches, but it's not as wide as I would like it to be. And I still have issues typing on it. Now swiping is another thing, but just not quite wide enough. I do like how they made it boxier. Doesn't jam into your hand as much as the Google Pixel Fold here. On this one corner. Now, I have a tendency to hold all of my phones in my left-handed, even though I'm right-handed. And the Google Pixel will dig into your hands, where this is a little bit more subtle. It's squared off, but it's rounded, where this is kind of just, it digs into your hand. I lost the words there, but it's a little sharper. That's what I want to say. So 8.43 ounces, not bad. Build quality feels great. Do like that they made the sides matte. Now, I don't know if I've ever had one that's been matte. All of mine been glossy. You guys see all of your buttons there, your antenna, your volume up and down, power button / fingerprint. You got your SIM card tray right there. Here's the bottom of it. You got your speaker, charging port, microphone. Here's a nice hinge with a little bit of subtle Samsung on it right there, if I can get it to focus. And then you got your other speaker and microphones at the top. Got your camera right there, which is a 50 megapixel. Let's see what here. I got it wrote down. You got a 50, a 12, and a 10 megapixel, capable of shooting 4K at 60 FPS. And on the front of it, you're going to have a 10 megapixel. And then on the inside, you got a 4 megapixel right inside your display right there. But yeah, the front display, even though it's narrow, it is 120 hertz refresh rate. It gets up to 2600 nits, so it's going to be bright. And I haven't had any issues seeing this outside. Just been beautiful. So 410 PPI and smooth. Smooth as you want to be here. Strolling is great. It's not bad if you want to just quickly check some of your social media here, stroll through and kind of look at it, but that's on the go. For me, if I really want to use this, I'm going to open it up and use it in there. But you got your camera up there. Very nice right here, but could be a little bit wider. So we're going to leave that alone and move on. Now we're going to open up and see the 7.6 inch display here. LTPO AMOLED 2X, which is beautiful. As you see those colors there, blacks are deep, reds are punchy, blues or whatever they want to be. This is just a beautiful, beautiful display here. Phone calls and stuff on this are great. I don't want to get too far away, but you got your side panel there, and just strolling around here is great. Now the crease is definitely less than what I remember it being on the other devices. Now, as far as in comparison to the Google Pixel Fold, it is definitely improvement over this. Now, my Fold never did open up all the way. That's about, it doesn't get flat, but the crease is there a whole lot more than on the Z Fold 6. So they did a great job with that. Resolution on this one is 2160 by 1856, 2600 nits and 120 hertz refresh rate. So just beautiful, man, for watching your movies, you know, watching YouTube, looking at your photos and playing games and stuff. This is a great size, nice aspect ratio, and everything is quick. Now, this is running the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, Android UI 6.1.1, and it's running Android 14. So you get all of your great features here from Samsung. You know, Samsung phones are feature rich, and just about whatever you want to do with this, you can do it. It also comes in, I got the 512, but it also comes in 250 and 1 terabyte. And yeah, man, so this device has been great for me. I haven't had any hiccups. I'm able to do stuff like video editing on here if I want to, and it's just powerful. It's going to work. It's going to work great, man. You're not going to have any issues with doing stuff like that. Here's a video that I did here. You guys see, so strolling around on this is no issues here. The camera's been great also. Let me jump into some photos here and let you guys check out some of these. Night photos been great. Here's a couple of them here I took at night, and that's clear. Now, people complain because they don't have the flagship photo cameras on here. I can't blame them, but that's pretty detailed photo right there. Video has been great on here as well. Let's see what else we got here. Here's a little front-facing video I did right here, checking out the cameras on here. And yeah, so it's been great. Here's another photo. That's a beautiful photo right there. So cameras are not bad. You got all the AI features with this now. I haven't used any of that. That's just my thing. I probably won't use it, but it's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. So that's how I equate that. But yeah, man, overall, it's been great. Now, I'm supposed to trade in my Google Pixel Fold for this. And today or tomorrow is the last day for me to decide that. They're going to give me $800 for this, for the Fold. I'm not sure if I want to do that. I'm being completely honest here. I didn't have any Samsung devices until I picked up the Fold 6. I really, like I said, I really and truly enjoy my Google Pixel Fold. It does everything that I need it to do. Now, it doesn't have all the bells and whistles that you're going to have on, you know, the Z Fold 6. But for me, this meets all my needs right here. And I'm actually looking forward to the second one that's going to come out, whatever they're going to call it, Google Pixel Fold 9, whatever. I'm looking forward to that. So I'm not sure if I want to keep this. I will decide within the next 24 hours. Now, this works great with these Buds 3 Pro here. These are some very nice earbuds here that work well with the Samsung device here. So this is a little follow-up on my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Excellent device, works great, no issues out of it. You want to play your games, social media, watch movies, it's excellent, man. So we'll find out if I keep it or not. So Will H, I'm out.